Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. This is my residual income program. Get paid every month, residual income for each person every single month. This is showing just 5 levels. There are 7 levels that pay us. The second level pays us $7 per person. All the other levels pay us $3 per person. You can see I have 7 plus 3, that's 10, plus 9, that's 19, 20, 21, 22 people. It's going to pay me $112 at the beginning of January. I already got paid for December. Pays us every single month, the first week of the month. There's my phone number at the bottom, 352-286-8014. 352-286-8014. You can call me day or night, anytime, day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can see all these people that are in my 5 levels here. There is 7 levels total. There will be 9 people total in level 2. There's 3 people possible in level 1. I already have those 3 people. There is 3 times 9 is 27. There's 27 people possible in level 3. And I think it's level 4 is 81 people possible. I have 2 people there and 1 person in my level 5. Every person has 3 people below them, and if you get more than 3 referrals or you get spillover, they will fall below those people and help your other lower levels. If you have a good sales rep or distributor below you or above you, you will get spillover or spill under, and they will help you build your team. I did not get all these people. Everybody helps each other. This is a team building system. The people above me are helping me, and also the people below me are helping me. And everybody helps everybody. So if you're interested in a program that has a very effective and helpful and encouraging team to help you, call me at 352-286-8014. And also this program, even if you do not sign anybody up or do not get any sales, you could possibly get spillover and still earn residual income every single month, but you need to be patient for like 3 or 4 months. It took me a couple months to get spillover, but once I did, it started kicking in quite a bit. Sometimes I log in, a lot of times I log in and I have 1 or 2 new people. It is a $30 a month program, but it pays you monthly as well. They have digital products. They have a savings club. They also have 34 books that are full-length books that you can download and read about business and success and a lot of other topics. But contact me and I can share with you those books. You will get those when you sign up, and also the savings club where you can save on airfare, hotels, resorts, vacations, movie tickets, sports events, amusement parks, you name it. You can save money with the savings club part of this. There's also digital tools that you can use to help build your list and build any business you want. But this is a group where you can get help from above you and below you. But you need to be patient if you don't want to sponsor and if you don't want to sign other people up. You just need to be patient for about 3 months, maybe 4 months, and you will probably most likely have spillover. But there's no guarantees of income, there's no guarantees of spillover. But if you're patient, I think you'll have spillover. So get with me, please, 352-286-8014. Leave a comment on this video. I'm also going to put the links to these QR codes to the 2 websites. You can see 2 QR codes. You can take a screenshot of this and scan those QR codes The one on the left goes to a different website than the one on the right. They're two different QR codes for two different websites and videos that explain everything. Detailed videos. So if you want a low-cost, easy entry program and get paid every month, $100 or $500 or $1,000 a month, all the way up to $10,000 a month, call me 352-286-8014. Click on the links in the pinned comment, or you can scan these two QR codes and go to the two websites. God bless you. Jesus is Lord, and He's coming soon. Get saved, get born again, get filled with the Holy Spirit. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team.